Guys, I'm Dr. Himani from U2 Dentistry, Gurgaon. Today I'm going to tell you how a beautiful smile can increase your job prospects. When you look in a mirror, you wish to have a perfect smile? Then, why not to go for a change for a smile for the better? Unlike the apparels and footwears you buy to improve your outlook, and a new smile will make your appearance completely perfect for the rest of your life. It doesn't matter how old are you, everybody likes a straight, white and bright teeth. Braces will give you a perfect smile that you wanted and will increase your confidence level too. Try to imagine the difference a perfect smile with straight teeth will do to both your looks and personality. Researchers have shown that a confident smile can be life-changing in social environment and can give even boost to your confidence, boost your job and relationships as well. When you look your best, you feel great about yourself, isn't it? Stay happy also. The confidence gained from a gorgeous smile is beneficial in many other ways, like getting a date with a special guy or girl you wanted to have, or looking your best in the holidays or your anniversary pictures. You already know that a smile is one of the first things people notice about you. But do you have an idea that your smile is also one of your things great employers notice? As per a recent report by a Tampa Bay 10 news channel, a shining grin can raise your career 10% to 100% more. People who have confidence in their health and beauty of their teeth may be more likely to go for a new position or a new promotion. Your smile is one of the ways you can show people that you are happy, confident, and skilled. People who strive to smile are viewed as less confident. This can be a real fiasco when you're taking a job interview. Additionally, an admirable smile helps in daily social life. Being proud owner of your white pelvis may motivate you to smile more, a pretense that supplements your ability to connect with people around you. Showing your teeth can assist you generate good relationships with your colleagues and even acquire new customers or clients on the job. It's hard, really. It's really hard to smile when you're not happy with the look of your teeth and gums. As part of professional commitment to make improved oral health and looks of all their patients, dentists offer a number of effective procedures to people achieve a more charming smile in a very less time. Number 1 is the Zoom whitening. Laser whitening can make an expressive difference in the outlook of your smile and can whiten up to 10 shades lighter in just a few dental visits. If yellowish stained teeth making you hesitate from smiling, you may consider seeing a dentist for a tooth whitening consult. Number 2, Invisalign. In the past, modifying the alignment of your teeth was a painful, exhausting experience, isn't it? Not only did conventional metal braces cause great irritation, but they also made the people feel low in their business settings. Using clear, removable aligners, which are called Invisalign, nowadays tenders employs an almost invisible method of gaining a straighter teeth with much less distress and annoyance. Number 3 is the Lumineers. For patients who want quick, dramatic smile makeover without drills and without anesthetic shots, no prep veneers may be an ideal choice for them. A non-invasive technique, Lumineers are a great way to boost self-confidence without grading the existing dental structure at all. Number 4 is the orthodontics, which you call the braces in your common language. Although the importance of a symmetrical smile is never underestimated, the orthodontist has another equally important treatment objective to improve the health of your gums and your teeth. Did you know that misaligned teeth and abnormal bites can affect overall oral health and sometimes cause joint problems too? Yeah. Sometimes a lack of dental care can cause you to have problems with your breath. Deeply rooted problems are not going to be covered by brushing or breath mints. This can mean that your interviewers want to get you out of the small human resource office as quickly as possible. As a result, your interview time could be greatly shortened. thus limiting your abilities to put your best foot forward. A visit to a dental office can get to the bottom of this halitosis, thus allowing you to conquer this problem before interview. Any general cosmetic dental surgeon or dentist offers a number of procedures to help you achieve the healthy, attractive smile necessary to accomplish all your career goals. The way you feel about yourself remarkably influences others on how they view you. If a cracked, crooked, or stained smile is affecting your self-esteem at home or on job, don't hesitate to contact dentist for a consultation. If you are finding a new job in the market, one of the best steps you might take to visit is a dentist. Okay, believe me, dental consultation could boost your self-confidence. Thank you.